Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to hide the names or labels of all apps and widgets present in home screen of iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see the widgets as well as the apps present on my home screen has labels or names, as you can see clearly, and even all the folders are having labels or names. So in order to hide all these app names or labels, what you need to do is just tap and hold on the blank area of your home screen. Now on the left top corner you will see here edit option, just click on it. Now you will see here customize option, just click on it. Now here you will see one icon appearing, so just click on it. Now you can see here all the app names or the widget names as well as the folder names or labels has been hidden, so you can clearly see. So if you want to show the names or the labels of all apps and widgets again, then just tap and hold on the blank area of your home screen again. And now once again just click on this edit option and just click on this customize option. Now once again just click on this button. Then the app names or the widget names or labels will show up again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide the names or labels of all apps and widgets present in home screen of iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.